In this video, I'll guide you through how to implement a consent banner on Webflow. If you're looking to ensure your website complies with privacy regulations like GDPR or CCPA, adding a consent banner is a crucial step. Not only does it help you stay compliant, but it also builds trust with your visitors by giving them control over their personal data. Let's get started by heading over to webflow.com. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on All Sites. This will bring up a list of all the sites you have created or have access to. It's essentially your Webflow dashboard where you can manage and access the different projects you're working on. From the list of sites, go ahead and select the specific site where you want to implement the consent banner. Simply click on the site name to open it. This action takes you into the site-specific settings and options where you can make changes or add new features. Next, look towards the left-hand side of your screen and find the Apps section. Clicking on Apps will navigate you to a variety of tools and integrations that Webflow offers, allowing you to enhance the functionality of your site. In the search bar within the Apps section, type in Consent. This will filter the available applications to show you the relevant options for consent management. It's important to be precise with your search terms here to quickly locate the right tool. Once the results are displayed, click on OneTrust Consent Management. OneTrust is a widely recognized tool for managing user consents and preferences, making it a reliable choice for your website. With OneTrust selected, you'll see an option to install on-site. Click on this button to begin the installation process. This step integrates the consent management tool into your selected Webflow site, setting up the framework for your consent banner. After you have clicked Install, the OneTrust tool will guide you through the initial setup process. This may include customization options, such as choosing the position of your banner, the wording of your message, and the types of cookies you want to inform your users about. Take your time to configure these settings to match your site's design and the level of compliance you wish to achieve. Implementing a consent banner is not just about legal compliance, it's also about transparency and building trust with your audience. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards ensuring your site respects user privacy and adheres to important regulations. Remember, privacy laws can be complex and vary by region, so it's wise to consult with a legal professional if you're unsure about the specifics of compliance for your particular audience. With the consent banner now integrated into your Webflow site, you're well on your way to providing a more secure and user-friendly experience for all your visitors. Thank you for watching and happy Webflowing.